Special thanks to this company for sending us these CGM patches. This is a 24 pack of CGM patches, which are water resistant, long lasting, and gentle on the skin. A little information here on the back as well. Adhesive patches, 24 pack. Let's open these up. That's it for the box. And wow, nice package here. Look at this. It's like resealable and everything. Very cool. So we take these out of this. These are the 4 transparent waterproof patches. There's 4 of those. And then all of these other cool design CGM patches. Wow, I like that one. Oh, it looks like Spider-Man. It's like a Spider-Man and Iron Man mix. That's a rooster. I like the skull too. A little banana. A donut football helmet. And just a cool little design. So they feel very nice. And of course, you'll just be able to peel it off the back and use it with your CGM patch. Thanks to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.